Okay, so we're back to removing all this scum and everything. There's a ton of stuff that was built up on the outside of the drum. So this is actually a tool that is used for removing lint from the underneath of your refrigerator. So the refrigerator coils. Also have here a bottle brush. So I've been scrubbing, basically trying to get all the way around, trying to get the stuff off that's caked on the sides off. And then again, let's see, with this guy here, going underneath here. Now in between here there's another surface that I haven't figured out how to clean. Trying to hook these little guys in. But then there's also a little surface under here in between basically this plastic piece and the stainless drum that I'm trying to get to. Still haven't figured out. Did a little quick search on the internet. Wasn't able to figure out. I think this is actually just attached to the drum. It doesn't appear that there's an easy way to get that off. But I did figure out that there are these little holes here. And there's another one over on this side here. And let's see. No, there's yep, there it is. So there's another one over here. This little device here is a 2-liter bottle with the ability to pressurize it with a Presta valve. So this is a mini little jet washer that I'm going to use. I've already used it to squirt water in here, and it does flush some of that stuff out. So probably keep you up to date on my progress here in a few minutes. Thanks.